Sin power 4a by a plus cos power 4a by b is equal to 1 divided by a plus b. We have to prove sin power a divided by a cube plus cos power a by b cube is equal to 1 divided by a plus b the whole cube. We have to prove this part. So we are going to solve the problem with this part. So take the first two part of the left hand side, which is sin power 4a by a cos power 4a by b is equal to 1 divided by a plus b. And you know the 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So you can write 1 as sin square a plus cos square a divided by a plus b. On the left side, you have sin power 4a divided by a plus cos power 4a divided by b. Here, the a plus b is in division. When I take it to the left side, it will become multiplication. Okay. So it's a plus b into sin power 4a by a plus cos power 4a by b. So now you take a plus b inside and multiply with both the terms. You take a screenshot often, you can copy later, you can pause the video and take a screenshot. So now you can write this as a sin power 4a a plus b sin power 4a by a plus a cos power 4a by b plus b cos power 4a by b. Just taking a plus b, multiplying with sin power 4a and multiplying with cos power 4a. Just a simple multiplication. On the right side, I still have sin square a plus cos square a. So now this a and this a will cancel out each other. We'll be having sin power 4a plus b by a sin power 4a. Similarly, this b and this b will cancel out each other. A by b cos power 4a plus cos power 4a is equal to sin square a plus cos square. On the right side, I told you to write 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta. You can also write 1 as 1 square because 1 square is also 1. So I'm going to square this. Even if I square the value of 1, it is not going to change, right? So I can write sin square a plus cos square a as sin square a plus cos square a the whole square. So now it looks like a plus b the whole square. Expand this using the identity, which is a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. And here a gonna be sin square a, b gonna be cos square a. So keep the left hand side part as it is. The right hand side part, this part is gonna be sin power 4a cos power 4a plus 2 sin square a cos square a. So what happens? On the left side you have sin power 4a, right side you have sin power 4a, cos power 4a, cos power 4a. These things will cancel out each other. We'll be having b over a sin power 4a plus a over b cos power 4a is equal to 2 sin square a cos square. To take this to the left side, b by a sin power 4a plus a by b cos power 4a minus 2 sin square a cos square a is equal to 0. Please take a screenshot. So if you look at this, it looks like a square plus b square minus 2ab. I'll tell you how. Here I'm saying a square is b by a sin power 4a. B square is a by b cos power 4a. And minus 2ab is this. You can find a from here. A is square root of this, right? Because a square is b by a sin power 4a. A is going to be square root of b by a. Square root of sin power 4a becomes sin square a. Similarly, b is equal to square root of a by b cos square a. This is your a and this is your b. Let's check whether minus 2ab is this or not. It's minus 2 times of square root of b by a sin square a into square root of a by b cos square a. B by a will cancel out each other. Minus 2 sin square a cos square a. You are having the same thing, which means the last line resembles the expansion of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now we also know what is a and b. So you just have to write this as a minus b the whole square format. Okay. Please take a screenshot. I'm going to write this as the a minus b the whole square format. It will be square root of b by a sin square a minus square root of a by b cos square a the whole square is equal to 0. So you take the left hand side thing to the other side, it becomes square root of a by b cos square a. Now what happens? Sin square a by cos square a can be written as square root of a by b into square root of a by b, which is a by b. Sin square a by cos square a is nothing but tan square a is equal to a by b, right? You can write it like this. Okay, tan is also not right word. You can write it like this. Sin square a by cos square a is equal to a by b. So sin square a is equal by a is equal to cos square a by b. And write it like this. Please take a screenshot of this. So now I do have Sin square A by A is equal to cos square A by B. So I'm going to equate to the right hand side part of the question. Go back to the question and see you do have 1 over A plus B. Just equate them. So it's going to be sin square A by A is equal to 1 by A plus B, and cos square A by B is equal to 1 divided by A plus B. You can write sin square A as A divided by A plus B, cos square A as B divided by A plus B. So now we are going to substitute in the then condition. So the then condition is sin power 8 theta by a cube plus cos power 8 theta by b cube is equal to 1 divided by a plus b the whole cube. You have to prove it. So now you can write this as sin power 8 a by a cube cos power 8 a by b cube is equal to 1 divided by a plus b the whole cube. So here you can substitute the value of sin square theta. I'm taking left hand side and proving. So on the left hand side I do have sin power 8a, which can be written as sin square a the whole cube by a cube is cos square a the whole cube by b cube. You have to prove this, you don't have to write every time. Sin square a is a divided by a plus b, cos square a is b divided by a plus b. Cos square a is b divided by a plus b the whole cube by b cube. Wait a minute, I think I made a mistake. Sin power 8 can be written as, actually according to the rule, a power m can be written as a power m into m. Sorry, I have actually cubed the 3. I have written 2 into 2 into 2 as 8. It's actually 4. It's supposed to be 4. 8 can be written as 2 power 4 because 2 into 4 will give you 8. Please change the 3 as 4. Change the 3 as 4. I'll explain from here. Sin power 8a can be written as sin square a the whole power 4. Cos power 8a can be written as cos power a the whole power 4. A cube and b cube stays the same. I've substituted the value of sin square a, substituted the value of cos square a. So now we just have to simplify this. A power 4 by a plus b into a cube plus b power 4 by a plus b into b cube. Please change this sum. This is my bad. So a power 4 and a cube, b power 4 and b cube will cut each other. It's a divided by a plus b plus b. You have whole power 4. Here also you have 4. A divided by A plus BD whole power 4 plus B divided by A plus BD whole power 4. So you have A plus B whole power 4, A plus B whole power 4 as the denominator. Keep it as common, A plus B in the numerator. You can club them. You can add these two fractions. So when you cancel A plus B the whole in the numerator and the denominator, you will be having 1 divided by A plus B the whole. So we got the right answer part of the question. So hence